Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Inquisitive. This is Samsung Galaxy J6 and today I am going to show you how to insert Sim and microSD card on this phone. This phone has a non-removable back part. Its back part is non-removable. That's why the Sim slot has been given on the side of the phone. Here you can see this is the slot 1 and this is the slot 2, and you can use two nano SIM and a micro SD card simultaneously on this phone. So let's see how to insert SIM and micro SD card on this phone. First of all, take the SIM injector pin provided in the box. Then here you can see the hole beside on the SIM tray. Just push on this hole with the SIM ejector and the tray will be pop up. You can see. Then remove the SIM ejector. And this is the SIM card 2 slot, and look at the SIM cutting. Put this side on this matching this cutting line, and then has a micro SD card slot. You can see this is a transparent 64GB micro SD card. This is the micro SD card slot. You can see the micro SD, and put the micro SD on this slot. Now you can see gently insert the SIM tray on this slot normally. That's it, and this is the SIM slot 1. Here's the another SIM, and put the SIM like this. And that's it. And here you can see both SIM card has been detected. This is the SIM card 1 and this is the SIM card 2. And going to the device maintenance and storage, you can see the SD card has been detected. I am playing a video from the memory card. Here you can see.
Section using